You've arrived at our channel Finding Trails Travel Duo, where we create videos that help you with diverse topics like travel, music, lifestyle, and simple ways to earn money online. So, let's get into it. We are going to divide this video into 4 parts. Part 1, before you head to the airport. Part 2, what to do once you arrive at the airport. Part 3, how to go through airport security. Part 4, what to do once you have landed your destination. Starting with Part 1, what to do before you head to the airport. Using an online travel agency is the fastest and most economical option. Keep in mind that not all airlines are represented when using an online service. After you buy a ticket, you'll get an email confirmation that gives you the choice of printing it at home or having it sent to your phone for download. Online check-in is accessible 48 hours prior to the departure time of your flight. All customers with an e-ticket must depart 90 minutes prior to the stated time. Making your online check-in might help you avoid long lines and hassles at the airport. Don't forget to check your visa, vaccination funds and passport validity before you start planning your travel. Check the link in the description below for more details. Packing effectively. Pack as little as you can. For information on what cannot be brought in or carry-on bags, visit the airline's website. Now that you are all packed and ready, let's get into Part 2 and know about what to do once you arrive at the airport. Getting to the airport on the day of departure. One day before your departure date, make sure you have your passport, ticket confirmation, boarding pass, visa copy, if it's an e-visa, any other important travel documents, and your luggage ready. Departures. Arrive at the airport 2 to 3 hours before to take off. If you don't check in at least 30 minutes prior to the flight's planned departure, most airlines won't let you board the aircraft. Check-in. Present your passport and airline ticket to the airport security personnel after you have reached the airport departures. Once it has been validated, go as directed to your airline's check-in area. Boarding pass. The desk employees at the airport check-in counters will offer you your boarding pass once you have produced the health and travel documentation necessary by your destination. Now that you have got your boarding pass, let's see on how to go through airport security. Security checkpoint. After checking in, proceed to the security checkpoint by following the signs. When you arrive, be prepared to scan your boarding pass, whether it is digital or printed. Put your bag, electricals, and any liquids you have into the plastic trays provided after you've reached the conveyor. For more information, please check the link in the description below. Identify your gate. After passing through security, determine which gate you will board from. Screens for departure will show this data across the airport. When you are aware of the gate you require and its location, you may unwind and take advantage of the time before boarding begins. Lounge or waiting area. If you arrive early, feel free to explore the surrounding duty-free stores, cafe, or restrooms, but keep your distance. You don't want to forget to board. Go to a lounge for comfy sitting, nice food, internet, etc. If you wish to wait in comfort, you should go directly there if you have unrestricted access rather than waiting at the gate. Prepare to board. 10 to 20 minutes prior to departure, boarding closes. Before ending the trip, late passengers will receive at least 2 personal calls. No additional passengers would be entertained after the trip has ended. Specific boarding processes are used by airlines. To figure out your zone or boarding number, check your ticket. Take off. As you make your way down the red carpet to your seat, the air hostess greets you. Each row has a seat number above it. Locate a seat, then place your carry-on bag in the overhead compartment that is closest to it. Use of electronics. Most electronic devices are allowed on board in most aircrafts, while some are not. Check your airline's website to see what you can use whenever you want and what you can only use when in flight mode. Enjoy your flight. As soon as the plane takes off, the flight attendants will start serving food and beverages. Most airlines offer complimentary non-alcoholic drinks. You might also have the choice of purchasing meals, juices, and other alcoholic beverages, depending on how long your trip is. When purchasing your airline tickets, you can check this box. Customs Declaration Form. Typically, you will receive a Customs Declaration Form while in flight. A list of prohibited and restricted items will be included. Declare any such items truthfully on the form if you have any. Now that you have taken your first flight, it's good to know on what to do once you have landed your destination. Prepare for landing. As the trip nears its conclusion, the crew will make announcements to get everyone ready for landing. Touchdown. Keep sitting in your seat after touchdown. Stay in your seat until the plane reaches its gate after it has landed. The pilot will switch off the seat belt indication once the aircraft has stopped at the gate. Leave the aircraft. Each row will exit the aircraft in turn, starting with the front rows. When your row is called, get up, get your bag from the overhead compartment, and walk down the aisle to the entrance. Ensure you have everything you brought while you are waiting for your turn. If you leave your phone in the seat pocket, you won't be able to board the aircraft again to get it. What are you waiting for? Now that you have endured everything, even getting frisked and taking your first flight? Arrival Immigration and Customs. Before leaving the airport, you would have to go through Immigration and Customs one last time. Keep your travel documents, such as your passport and visa, close at hand in your hand luggage so that the process may be completed swiftly. Collect luggage. Pick up your luggage by following the baggage claim signage. Large electronic panels will be present when you arrive to direct you to the appropriate claim conveyor belt where your baggage will be waiting for you. Customs. After receiving your luggage, you can stroll to the duty-free shops or proceed to the airport's arrival exit. The customs inspector may decide to check your luggage if you have any prohibited items. Now that you know on how to take your first flight, let us know where you will be traveling soon, or share your first travel experience in the comment section below. For more detailed information, please check the link below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share and consider subscribing to our channel.